All right, pilots, arm your quads as we go hot on the tone in less than 5. Atomic, McFly, Knick-Knack, first 3 through the gate. Everybody's on the gate, on the clock. It looks like we lost even barbecue already. Trying to get out, trying to turn the mode. We just lost Wreck Shop and Knick-Knack. We got D-Wade and Follow, our last two still up. There comes D-Wade through the start-finish gate with his first lap. Oh. It was like Wreck Shop turned mode and got back up. He's now going through the hurricane gate, tornado gate, whatever we want to call it. Down through the tunnel by the pilots, coming through the start-finish gate. All right, guys, it's time. You'll be done. When you cross, you'll be done. D-Wade, you're done. Got you with 2 laps. Wreck Shop, you're done. Good job. 2 laps. Follow, you're done. Got your 3 laps in. That move puts you up at 18th spot. And Atomic's done. Everybody's done. Atomic's up 3 spots.